Hello my dear students. I am Manisha Modi from Sri Vasisht Vidyalaya. Welcome you all. Children, you are the best creation of God and you all are spread joy in every season and even in every teacher of life. Yes, so you every children are the best flower in the world. So childhood is about innocence, playfulness, and it is about joy and freedom. So you should playful and you should enjoy your life. So today I am speaking about the question answers of safety first. Question answers and textual objectives. Yes, as you know my dear children that this is the time of lockdown. Everyone we are under it. We are at home. Why? Due to the coronavirus. What is this coronavirus? Yes. So there is a very small microorganism and that due to it everybody we have to stay at home. So now I am explaining about this virus so you can also take care of yourself. So this virus is the cousins of the flu and the common cold. You can understand like that if we will be informed, be prepared, be smart, be safe and we should be ready to fight, then we can fight with this COVID-19 means this virus and we can stay safe. Okay, now students, how can we will be safe? Yes, so there are few steps so you can take care of yourself. First point, wash your hand frequently. Yes, so how does washing your hand that help prevent COVID-19 infection? Yes, so what is this COVID-19 virus? This is from the RNA packed in the protein and fat. So fats are easily dissolved by soap. By washing your hands often and well, you can break down the virus and protect yourself. So wash your hands and be safe. Second point, avoid touching your eyes, mouth and nose. As you have always the habit, you are touching your eyes, mouth and nose. So you have to avoid these things. Now third, cover your mouth or nose when you have to cough or sneeze. And immediately you should cover your mouth with the handkerchief or either elbow. So when coughing or sneezing, yes, so flex elbow or tissue, whatever you have that time. Yes, and after that you should throw that tissue into the closed bin after use. And after that you should clean your hand either with the soap or water, rub it properly, or either you can use the alcohol based any sanitizer to take care of yourself. Now you should stay at home. You should not go in the crowded place. So that is also the point that you can save yourself. Now stay at home if you feel unwell, even with a slight fever and cough. If you have a fever, cough and difficulty breathing, you should immediately inform doctor or take the medical help. Now stay aware of the latest information from WHO. WHO means World Health Organization. So my dear student, I think that you all understand that how can you take care of yourself, because this is most important for you. You have to take care of yourself and your family also. Now let's start our textbook exercises. First, tick the correct answer. So when you see the previous video, so you are able to give the answer of the tick the correct answer. Now next one is the match the column. So you can solve this one also. Now short answers. Yes, when do accidents happen in school? In the school, accident can happen when children run and push each other. Next question is, what precautions should you take to avoid accidental consumption of poisonous chemicals? Poisonous chemicals should be properly labeled and kept away from eatables. These things must be careful. All the household products, whatever the dangerous for the children, that should be far away from the children or out of reach of the children. What is first aid? First aid is the medical help given to an injured person or a sick person before proper medical aid arrives. I want to add some more things here, that if you have to be smart also. It means from the beginning you have to aware. You should know about the things. So if you have to safe, so there will be no pain. And if you know safety, if you not follow safety, then you will be get pain. So my dear student, you should take care of yourself. Now next thing, write about 2 common emergencies where you need first aid. 2 common emergencies that need first aid are insect bites and fainting. Now next question is, what precaution you take to avoid accidents at school? In school, you know that many times it happens and accidents can happen anytime, anywhere. Yes. So to avoid accident at schools, do not rush up or run up or down the stairs. You may fall down and hurt yourself and others. Do not climb on desks and chairs or things around. Do not use the sharp things and do not throw here and there. Do not run on the wet floor. So you have to take care of yourself. Next question is, as a pedestrian, what will we do to avoid getting hurt on the road? As you know, my dear students, to avoid accidents on the road, you should use the footpath or you should use the zebra crossing. You also should stop, look and listen, right? Follow the traffic rules, red, orange and green. How will you help a person who has a bleeding wound? You can help a person in following ways. First, you should wash the minor cut with water. You can apply any type of antiseptic lotion over it. If there is more bleeding, try to stop it by tying a bandage or by some pressure on the cut. Remember one thing, that dirt and flies should not be allowed to sit on the wound, because it will be improve the infection. So prevent from the infections, you should be careful. And if there is more wound or more cut, so you can immediately inform the doctor. How will you help a person who has fainted? If a person faint, what you will be do? First, make him lie down with his head at a level lower than the body. Yes, this helps to the blood to reach his brain faster. Allow fresh air around the person. Allow loosen his clothes and sprinkle cold water on his forehead. Now next question, how will you help a person who has been bitten by an insect? If bitten by an insect like a bee or a wasp, you can apply following things on affected part, so the person will get relief fast. A paste of baking soda and cold cream on the affected part. Put ice on the affected part. You can even use the lemon juice or piece of grated lemon, clay or mud paste, slice of a cucumber, juice of an onion. These things will be give relax to the person. It not means that you will be use all such things. You can use any one thing to give relief to that person. Yes. So my dear students, your family needs you. So you have to follow safety rules to avoid accident. Stay home, stay safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of myself doesn't mean that me first. It means that we too, me too. Means yes. So work safe for yourself and for your family. Once again, to my dear parents also, take care of yourself and your children too. Stay home, stay safe. Yes, so my dear students, for our previous worksheets and previous videos, so you can follow the SBV study material web page. There you will get class wise all the things. Test folder also, everything you will get there. Thank you.